Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your keywords over to exact match? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your keywords over to exact match anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running ads for an online business using Google Ads, you know that sometimes if you use broad match, you're going to get a lot of queries that aren't really related. So sometimes you want to switch over to exact match. You do need to be careful with that, because when you switch to exact match, you're really going to restrict your traffic that's showing up. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change some of your keywords over to exact match type, here on the left, you're going to click on campaigns. Okay, once you do that, here on the top box, you're going to click on campaign and then choose the campaign that you want to switch the keyword over to exact match. Once you've chosen, here on the left side, you're going to hover over campaigns and you're going to click on audiences, keywords, and content. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu pop up and you want to click on keywords. Okay, so you can see this is a campaign I was running years ago for a client. And back then they used to have something called broad match modifier. So here are the keywords we were targeting. So you can see all of these are broad match. So what you can do is, if you're going to change just a few of them over to exact match, you can just hover over match type next to the keyword, click on this drop down menu, and then you can go ahead and choose exact match. Now, if you want to change all of them, you can click this box here at the top, select all. Once you do that, go ahead and click on edit. Once you click on edit, click on change match types, and then click on change all match types. Okay, now you can see it's broad match. You just click this drop down menu, click on exact match, and then apply. Another way you can do this is, if you're going to change some of these over to exact match, but not all of them, you can go ahead and, let me go ahead and uncheck this box. Okay, now what we can do is we can go ahead and pick and choose which keywords we want to switch over to exact match. So let's say maybe this one, and then we'll check this one right here. And then after that, it's basically the same process. Just click on edit, change match type, change all match types, and then choose exact match. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your keywords in Google Ads over to exact match type, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.